Two persons X and Y started running from the same point around a circular track in the same direction and met each other for the first time after 21 minutes from the start, during which time Y had completed exactly 3 laps. Instead, if they had moved in opposite directions, after how many minutes from the start would they have met for the third time, given that the speed of X is more than the speed of Y? So you have a case 1 with the same direction and a case 2 with opposite direction. We'll come to this later. In the same direction case, it is given that the distance traveled by Y was 3 laps, which I'm going to take as 3 rounds. And it is given that speed of X is more than the speed of Y, which means distance of X would be more than that, right? It is greater than 3r. And we know that for same direction, the condition for the first meeting is that the uh, difference in the distances should be 1r. This is the condition for first meeting. So then, because X is greater than 3r and differs from 3r by 1r, it should be 4r. This basically gives me speeds of X and Y are in the ratio 4:3. I'll take it as 4s and 3s. And the delta is because same direction gives me relative speed as a difference. Relative speed is 4s minus 3s is equal to 1s, which is the very reason why we take the difference of the distances for same direction. On the other side, relative speed will be 4s plus 3s, which will give you 7s. Which is why we say the condition for the first meeting is the sum of the distances should be 1 round for the first meeting. Anyways, so here we have a distance. The length of the track is relative speed into time, which is 1s into 21 minutes. This distance doesn't change from case 1 to case 2. So again, we have distance is equal to relative speed into time here. The distance has been found to be 1s into 21 minutes. But the relative speed here is 7s into what value? You will see that this is 3 minutes. So if they're running with the same speeds in opposite directions, their first meeting will happen at 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the first meet. All you gotta do is extrapolate this direct proportion. The third meet will be at 9 minutes, and that's your answer.